Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. I'm super excited about today's video because I am sponsored by FabFitFun. I am a FabFitFun partner. I don't know why or what you say, I think you're too loyal. You say, I think you're too loyal. It's like a tongue twister if you kind of like try to say it fast, but they sent me a box for free and they would like me to review it. So this video is going to be an unboxing video, but I am going to give my 100% honest opinion. If I do not like something in here, I'm just going to say it. I'm not getting paid to tell you that I like every product, plus I wouldn't do that. That's just not me. So the cool thing about this company is that they're super dedicated to supporting female entrepreneurs, so that's really important. And each box raises funds and awareness for different charities, different nonprofits, which is super cool. And also this one, you receive over $200 worth of full-size products. So you're not gonna get like the really tiny ones. You're gonna get a full bottle, a full serum, a full whatever, which is really cool because if you're spending $49.99 on the box, at least one of your items in there is probably going to be even more than $50. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. And if you do use my discount code, I do have a discount code for $10 off, and the discount code is going to be Monet. So that's M-O-N-E-T. Matter of fact, it's what's on my necklace right now. My discount code, you'll be spending $39.99 on a box because it's $10 off. I have no idea what's in this box, so I'm just gonna jump right in. And I saved it. I've been having this for about 3 weeks now, but I wanted to open it on camera and get my real reaction, like on the spot. I'm not gonna fake it. I definitely didn't open this first. I don't even know how to open it, but the box is so pretty. I wore pink to match the box. It's butterflies everywhere, which I used to be like so scared of butterflies, but now I'm like really loving them. Well, at least like clothing wise and stuff like that. Like if I really see a butterfly in person, I might not be too excited. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, this is pretty. And this box is really heavy, by the way, and I love that they sent it out to Princess Monet. That makes me a little bit excited. Oh, Gina Rodriguez. If you guys ever watched Jane the Virgin, I don't know if you can see it, but this is her in the front. That's so nice. Wait, is this everything that's in the box? Hold on. Because if so, I don't want to open this. I think it's telling you what's in the box. Okay, I'm not going to go there yet. What's this? Yo, I'm not even joking right now. I'm so gassed. I hope it hasn't been 30 days. This is claim within 30 days. Okay, so I don't know if you guys ever heard of HelloFresh, but I know they're like a meal kit company who they send you weekly or monthly. I'm not sure how it works. Why would they send it monthly? I believe they send you weekly meals, and you know they have like all the ingredients and stuff like that. So I got 9 free meals, including free shipping. I'm so gassed because I've seen so many YouTubers use this and I've been fiending. I have another discount code here for at-home. What is this? Ooh, okay, so this is almost like Invisalign, almost like Smile Direct, but I get a discount $200 off, which I don't need because I actually have retainers in my mouth now. But okay, I'm just excited to open this box. Let me hurry up. See, I did not open this. There's a butterfly here. I just want to go like this. You guys, this freaking box is all right. First of all, it's gonna get messy, but I love these things. I freaking love this. All right, I don't know where to start. Oh, this is heavy. What the heck is this? Let me just start with this. Okay, so this says a weighted sleep mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. What the heck? I've never ever heard of this. I want to open this now, low-key. I'm assuming that I just put this over my eyes and then I just go. I'm weak. It has a freaking thing. So it looks like this, and then it wraps around your head like that. It's gonna mess up my lashes, but let me just act like I'm sleeping. I'm I'm gonna do my research on this because maybe this will help me go to sleep. I said sleep. I do know people who use weighted blankets, and I know that like helps anxiety and it like really puts you to sleep or calms you down. So maybe this might help me go to sleep at night because I do have trouble going to sleep. That's pretty cool. I never heard of that, but I am gonna do my research on that. Let's see what else. Restoring mass, antioxidant, rich skin balancing, blue matcha. Matcha as in my mom drinks matcha, green matcha tea? I have no idea. Detoxifies and purifies, deeply moisturizes, and deeply soothes. So it has organic. I'll be here all day if I read that. Paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free. Oh wow, it says that the mask goes on blue and then it fades. No more dry or oily patches. Skin is left beautifully glowing, radiant. Okay, honestly, this is pretty cool because I do want to see what it looks like. Because I've been really trying to figure out like good products for my rosacea and seeing if anything helps. So I've been looking. Wow, I love that smell. I really been looking for a product. So I guess I'm gonna have a new skincare routine. So stay tuned for that because I already been using like different oils and stuff on my face for like about 3 weeks now. Let's see what else. What is this? I do not know how to pronounce that. Perlis, I don't know. For all skin types, a watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel. I want to smell it too. Oh, it's cold. Oh no, I can smell it. Even though it's closed, I can still smell it. Okay, so it looks like this. And you leave it on your face for 2 minutes and then you just wash it off. Once I'm done quickly reviewing these products, I am going to let you know the prices. Because I'm interested in knowing, like, you know, is it going to be worth it for you guys to purchase it? Let's see. Okay, so AG hair care, fast food. I've heard about this. I see this in like high-end salons that I've been to. Fast food feeds, smoothest, calms frizzy, thick or coarse hair instantly. Moisturizes, split ends. So you just apply this all over your hair when your hair is damp and you just comb it through. So you don't wash it out because it is a leave-in conditioner. You obviously only wash it out when you're ready to wash your hair. It smells the best out of everything. What's this? Oh, a brush. A freaking brush. Much needed. Freaking. Why did I rip it out like that? Ooh, it's rose gold. It's literally. It's a freaking mirror too. It's not, but it is. Like, it's so. I cannot mess this up. I mess everything up. But not even lying, I did need a brush. So this is actually lit. There's more. What's this? I think we're getting to the end, but what is this? What the heck is this? I don't know if this is a freaking towel or what, but I must have seen now. Low-key, these white things are getting everywhere. 100% cotton. What is this, a towel? Ouch, that's how true it is. Might be like a towel, a blanket. Whoops. What the heck? This is not a towel. This is way too hard. Is this a rug? So this is not the cutest rug ever, but my room is white and black. Is my room is a mess, but my walls are black and my walls are not black. My wall is white and my floors are black. So this is actually gonna go perfect by my makeup area because I'm dropping makeup on the floor all day. So I could just drop makeup on this and wash this. This is actually really cool. It's growing on me a little bit. I think it's this that's killing it. If it didn't have this part, I was saying something before my camera turned on. Oh, if it didn't have these diamond triangular looking shapes, I think I will be cool with just like the stripes. But regardless, I am gonna use it. Yeah, I'll put this to use. So we're coming to an end. I see 2 products left. What is this? I hope it's like another skincare product because I've really been into skin lately. This says 12-hour hydration, hyaluronic acid, and dermatologist tested, cruelty free, a whole bunch of things. But Tarte is a really good brand. And ooh, why am I such a beast? Let's see what it smells like. I want to know what it This is water-based.
Yes.
These are my favorites. I have one from Neutrogena that I really like, and this, oh my god. First of all, this smells so good, and it feels even better. It looks like this. Let me open it. It looks jelly, but it's super water-based, and it feels amazing. I'm really hyped that this one has a lot of skincare products, and I have one for the hair. Now this is the last thing. What the heck is it? Okay, so I legit have never heard about this. I heard of metal straws, plastic straws, paper straws, but I've never heard of silicone straws. And this box comes with 4. Whether you're drinking a whipped cream, top milkshake, green juice, your favorite happy hour drink, eco-friendly set comes with 4 straws, a blush, doesn't say blush, a brush cleaner, and portable carrying case so you can clip them to your keys. What the I'm gassed because, first of all, if you guys know me, like really know me, like in person, I love to bite my straw. So when I have a paper straw, I'm biting it off. When I have a plastic one, I'm making a dent in it, and then I have like the juice going everywhere. Pause. But yeah, you're telling me that I can bite this and nothing's gonna happen to it? I want to try it low-key. So you're telling me the best is for last? Like, I'm actually excited about this. I'm taking this shit with me. So we have the cleaner. Oh my god, it's okay, it's not stuck. And then I thought it said that it came with the, it was right here. Alright, so you said I could bring this to work with me. Going to work with my straw. Okay. This is what the straws look like. I don't know if you can see it, but pretty freaking cool. Definitely gonna be using this. I'm gonna have to give one to my mother, and she's gonna want either one of these because her favorite color is pink like me. But wow, I wish there was more, but there isn't. Let me stop being greedy. Okay, so let me check this magazine to see how much these products actually cost. Where is it? Okay, so that rug is 1 seat. Okay, so that rug was $48, which is legit the price of the damn box. So wow, that's interesting. So this is legit $24, this leave-in conditioner. So with that and the rug, that's already over $70. Boom, look at that, 2 products. Let's see what else. The brush is, I don't think that should be that expensive. The brush is, get the Aria Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush for all hair types, okay?
$35.
That brush is $35, okay. What else do I got that's in here? I have 2D. So 2D is the Tarte Rainforest H2O Hydrating Boost.
Yo, this is my real life freaking reactions right now.
That little hydrating thing, I knew this Tarte shit was gonna be expensive. I had a freaking feeling. This little thing, it's not little, it's gonna last me a little while, but this is $39. So a moisturizer for $39. Okay, okay. So now 3B, it shows a picture of the weighted mask. Let me see, 3B. $39.99. $39.99 for the freaking weighted, what is that called? Gravity weighted sleep mask. Wow, okay, so that was $40. What else do I have here? Okay, so I also have the Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. That is 6B. Let's see how much that is. Oh, nah. Okay, I know it looks like I'm exaggerating, but this is like my real reaction because I'm actually like happy and surprised because that mask alone is $58. So it better work because I'm definitely going to be using that. I think the last one, I have to check how much the straws were, and then the last product will be this. What? Okay, I see the watermelon one right here. Watermelon peel is $35. Wow. So this box, I think that's already way over. I feel like that's way over $200. I lost count now, but that's really freaking good. Okay, so the straws are $15. That's like the cheapest thing here, but that's something that I'm going to be using all the time. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in getting the box, I know that you do not have to get it like every month, but if you do want to purchase, your first box will be $39.99 instead of the $49.99. Just use my discount code MONET. I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description. I'm super excited that I was finally able to film this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.